Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time of seeing my face, you're welcome. For my old subscribers, thank you for keeping faith in me. Thank you for the review. Thank you for the thumb up. I really appreciate you guys. Yeah, my name remains Victor. Today we'll be talking about ways to improve your chances of getting health and skills sponsorship job in the United Kingdom. Yeah, I've done so many videos about this. You can still go back and go to my YouTube page and see some of the videos I've talked about ways you can migrate to the United Kingdom through the skilled workers route. Okay, this video I'll be talking more about it, but in this time I'll be talking more about how you can boost your chances, okay, of getting a sponsorship and job in the health and care sector. So guys, please watch this video to the end, as so many things I'll be saying, so many things that will help you and in this journey, in your journey to the United Kingdom, to securing a job, a sponsorship job to United Kingdom. So please watch this video to the end. Okay, the first thing I'll be talking about is a volunteering job. Okay, I know in so many countries, for you to be able to work in some sector like hospital, you need to either be a nurse or a doctor to be able to work in hospital, apart from those in accounts and records who are literally really doesn't have anything to do with the patient. Okay, but guys, I want to tell you this is possible, because since in the United Kingdom, one other way you can boost your chances of getting health and care job, because it's becoming more competitive by the day, because thousands of persons are coming in, they are trying to come in through that route, so it's becoming more competitive. So the more it's become competitive, the more you need to up your game. Okay, it's not just enough to revamp your CV, it's not just enough to pay attention to detail, it's not just enough to have the care training. Okay, experience is another thing recruiter also look out for when they have pool of people trying to come in. Okay, because when you have so many persons trying to come in, recruiter will tend to want to go for the best, those that have the training, they have the experience and all that. Okay, so in this one I'm talking about volunteering. Okay, I know sometimes you might have a paid employment, you might have a place you are working. Okay, but then for you to boost your CV so that you can have something, even if you are working in a different field. Okay, yeah, my audience are in Nigeria and some other Africa country. You can also volunteer in an hospital. Yes, it's possible. They are not paying you, so the hospital is not thinking of, oh, they are going to they've met their staff complement, they don't need more staff. Okay, and again, they don't need to consider how we're going to pay you. Okay, you can just apply to them that you want to volunteer with them, you want to work with them. You're not a nurse, you're not a doctor, but then ask patients how to take care of patient. Once patient is being brought from the ward, how to care for the patient. All of these things is just to boost your CV, because at the end of the day, you put it in your CV that you volunteer with XYZ hospital for so months. Okay, that counts as your experience. Here in the United Kingdom, volunteering, it's something they value, because for you to volunteer to do something without pay, it tells you that you have passion for it. Nobody wants to do a job, something that will not earn he or she any income. But you're volunteering, that alone itself, it's a boost. So you can put in your CV that you volunteer with XYZ hospital for like 6 months or 1 year or 8 months, depends on the number of time you spend. And those persons, you are very sure, yes, they can reference you, because of course they will send reference to them to be sure that you actually work with them, either as a volunteer or a paid worker. Okay, walk up to any of the hospital, tell them you want to volunteer with them. Sometimes you can even I know in Nigeria we don't work hourly. Payment is not done hourly as it's done here in the UK. But then you can just tell the person, okay, twice in a week, I'll be coming twice in a week, 5 hours in a day, or depends to suit yourself. As so you're able to balance your timing, because I know probably you are working somewhere. Okay, you need to also balance your time, the free time you have, instead of wasting that time doing nothing. You can need to volunteer to boost your CV. This is one of the key. I've seen somebody that did it. He told me, because I'm like, wow. You say you're a teacher. How come in your CV you had experience in a few months experience? He said this is what she did. They didn't pay her. It's a volunteer. Tell them you want to volunteer with them, so that if you put in your CV that you volunteer with a particular hospital, okay, for this number of time, okay, this number of months, so that if they are sending reference to the hospital or whatsoever, they will also send like so person said he volunteer with you for this period. Okay, they can able to reference you. That will also boost your chances. You have an MVQ, or all the training you had in your your CV. You have the experience. You put it there. So um ABC hospital for experience for 4 months, 6 months, or what, as the case may be. You pay attention to details, okay? Pay attention to the job description. Use that to revamp your CV. I'm telling you, if you put in 10 applications, the probability that you'll be shortlisted for 8 will be very high. Volunteering is very important. So guys, don't waste any time. Don't This is not time to play. As you're trying to get your certification, trying to do your training, online training, look for a place to do your what's it called, volunteer in any of the hospital. Just walk up to them. You don't need payment. Just say you want to volunteer twice a week, once a week. Depends on the hour. You can be going every day. You can tell them 3 hours a day. It all depends. As I'm talking to you, I volunteer in there's a charity I volunteer with. I give them 5 hours in a month. Yeah. Five every month. At least I try to say I will balance my time. I give them 5 days to just go there and do one or two things with them. And anything I'm doing, I put it to my CV. I'll put it in my CV that I volunteer with such charity, and it's become part of my resume. So, guys, this is another tip on how you can improve your chances of getting health and care job or a social care job in the United Kingdom. Volunteer with an hospital now, guys. Look out for any hospital around you. Tell them you want to volunteer with them and get it done. With this, your chance of coming to the United Kingdom has increased. Thank you very much, guys. We have come to the end of today's video. If this video is impactful to you guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, uh, share with your friend and all that. Thank you very much. See you in my next video. Bye.